I have been using Right Research's small cases for more than a year now. My experience has been very positive, and these small cases have helped me grow my money very well. I was drawn to Right due to their multi-factor approach, and I find that approach a good balance of managing risks and rewards. I find the stock selection prudent, and I also find the customer service fairly responsive. I have had the opportunity to speak to Sonam a few times, and I got some good and solid advice from her. I wish Right Research and Sonam the very best for the future and for helping people multiply their money.
Hi Sonam and everyone else at the Right Research team. I am an investor with Right Research small cases and I've never regretted a day in making this decision. I was a little skeptical to start off and I only allocated about 1% of my portfolio to your small cases. But looking at the process as well as the outcome of the process, I grew in confidence and have now come up almost to 10% of my portfolio allocated to Right Research small cases, and I plan to keep building on it. My favorite small case is the balanced MFT. What works for me in balanced MFT, first part is excellent risk management. Even in March 20 crash, the fall was very moderate. The second part is that it gives the cost is moderate. Every penny I pay for the subscription cost is worth its price in gold. Even the incidental costs are coming down, both with Right Research guiding us in how to handle rebalances, and we also, getting a hang of how this thing works. Last and not the least, it's a balanced product, and the returns are far better than the much higher risk products, and in fact, it beats all benchmark indices hollow. Right Research is completing 2 years, and my best wishes to the entire team. Keep following your processes because they are good. Stick to your risk management. Make a lot of money for your investors as well as for your team. Best wishes.
Hi guys, I'm Arjun Juneja. I work in the tech industry. I heard about Right Research a few years back, I think 1 year back, on Twitter. Earlier, I used to invest on my own in the stock market, but then I saw this kind of portfolio management for individuals which Right Research was doing, and the idea felt great. So I invested. I started investing there because some of my friends were also investing. Not only are the returns great, but Sonam, who's the founder, shares lots of updates on Twitter about the market, etc., and why she's investing in a particular thing or not through her portfolio, which is great. Because of which I have also invested in about 3 of her small cases, which are just like portfolios. Also, she's open to communication, and her team is also open to communication, and everything's very transparent. So all fits great. Thanks.
Hi, I am Vijay Kumar Srivastav. I am a senior executive in Railways. As you know, investments are very important. With banks giving hardly any return, you have to go for alternative methods like shares, mutual funds. But I just don't have time to go for day-to-day trading, hour-to-hour trading. So, what to do? Right Research came to my rescue. They are having number of schemes, number of small cases for different needs, different risk taking abilities. I went for balanced multi-factor tactical, and my investment grew much better than market returns. So I am looking forward to invest more and more in this Right Research small cases. And thank you, Right Research and Sonam. Thank you very much.